Hi guys, today I am going to show you very ancient place of Sri Lanka. This is Polonnaruwa Vatadage. Shall we go to visit Polonnaruwa Vatadage? Travel to Sri Lanka. The Polonnaruwa Vatadage is an ancient structure dating back to the kingdom of Polonnaruwa, Sri Lanka. It is believed to have been built during the reign of Parakramabahu to hold the relic of the tooth of the Buddha during the reign of Nisankamala of Polonnaruwa to hold the alms bowl used by the Buddha. Both these venerated relic would have given the structure great significance and importance at the time. Located within the ancient city of Polonnaruwa, it is the best preserved example of Vatadage in the country and has been described as the ultimate development of this type of architecture. Abandoned for several centuries, excavation work at the Polonnaruwa Vatadage began in 1903. Built for the protection of a small stupa, the structure has two stone platforms decorated with elaborate stone carving. The lower platform is entered through a single entrance facing the north, while the second platform can be accessed through four doorways facing the four cardinal points. The upper platform, surrounded by brick wall, contains the stupa. Four Buddha statues are seated around it, each facing one of the entrance. Three concentric rows of stone columns had also been positioned here, presumably to support a wooden roof. The entire structure is decorated with stone carving. Some of the carving at the Polonnaruwa Vatadage, such as its Sandakada Pahana, are considered to be the best examples of such architectural features. Although some archaeologists have suggested that it also had wooden roof, this theory is disputed by others. Theories vary among archaeologists and historians regarding who built the Polonnaruwa Vatadage and when. One such theory suggests that it was built by Parakramabahu during his reign in the 12th century. An ancient chronicle mentions that he built a circular stone shrine to hold the tooth relic of the Buddha. The unique features of architecture of ancient Sri Lanka Vatadage were built for the protection of a small stupa that had an important relic enshrined in them were built on Hollywood ground. If the Polonnaruwa Vatadage is the shrine built by Parakramabahu, the relic of the tooth of the Buddha would have been enshrined within it. Another possibility is that the almost bowl used by the Buddha may have been enshrined here. Both these relics were important objects in ancient Sri Lanka culture and would have made the Polonnaruwa Vatadage one of the most significant and venerated building in the country. Polonnaruwa was abandoned in 1215 following an invasion from the Kalinga Maga period. The Polonnaruwa Vatadage appears to have been abandoned with the fall of the kingdom, and there is no mention of it in the chronicles in the later periods. The Polonnaruwa Vatadage is located in a quadrangular area known as the Dalada Maluva in the ancient city of Polonnaruwa. The Dalada Maluva contains some of the oldest and most sacred monuments of the city. The Polonnaruwa Vatadage, which occupies most of the southwestern area of it, is a prominent structure among them. It is the best preserved example of Vatadage in the country, and it somewhat similar in design to those belong to the Anuradhapura period. The building has been built around a small stupa with a base diameter of 27 feet 8 inches. The Vatadage has two levels, the lower platform and the raised upper platform that contain the stupa. The upper platform is 24 meters and the lower one 37 meters. The lower platform is 4 feet 3 inches from the ground level and upper platform 5 feet 3 inches from the lower. Hi guys, today I am going to end my video. I think you watch my video and enjoy it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Bye bye.